All right, so I'm driving along. I was in Arizona, then New Mexico, Texas, and now I'm in Oklahoma. And it looks like these boys must have been at Dinos Get Down as well. And I'm doing about 84 miles an hour. They must be rolling along at 80 miles an hour. Yeah, I remember this is a 60 Chevy. I remember seeing that. I have a 61. And a good looking Suburban here. They got Kentucky plates, so they're probably gonna try to make it to St. Louis, or they may be punching all the way through. From here to St. Louis, it's about 4 o'clock. They got about 8 hours to St. Louis, and then probably another 4 or 5 to Kentucky. So I would imagine it's another 12 hours. They may punch it, but that's a long ride. Anyway, just wanted to give a quick update and show those cool trucks.